Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today I did receive a big box through mail. Pretty much over a month ago I bought another Amiga on eBay. It's Amiga 500 for a really good deal. I kinda consider it a good deal. It's 145 and it comes with some extras. Like I said, it takes over a month to get here. But I mean, the box is big and heavy. It's here's at 10 kilos. It's like 22 pounds. Well, the box all around looks pretty good, kind of. It doesn't look like it's been dropped to bed. Well, let's open it and see how good it is. According to picture, I thought I was gonna just mention it before I open it. According to pictures, actually it looks pretty good, and it doesn't look like it's been open. Kinda. Well, you never know until you open the box, right, guys? Let's see. I mean, it looks like, I mean, the seller did use a lot of tape, which is a good sign. And the packages, wow, actually he did pretty good. I'm quite impressed. I mean, he was using a lot of, oh, it's a mouse. It's not original. I mean, I saw in a picture also, because as far as I know, Amiga didn't have those little bolts. And oh, it's a Logitech, I believe, or so. Huh? Actually pretty good. Then the power supply actually that even bigger than feels like bigger than Amiga 500. I mean that 1200 with my knife. Oh, right here. Sorry guys. Yeah, it feels also it's heavy. I know it's a little bit different style, different shape I should call. Also heavy. Oh. The Amiga 1200 was a really heavy one because it was been filled with epoxy inside. This one, I believe you can open it. Yeah, it is. That's it. I'm not sure if it's a new style or old style. It has some screws. But to be honest, on the picture, those power supplies looks much smaller. In reality, holy crap! I mean, that one's like 60, probably 5.5 inch tall, 4 or 4.5 wide, and probably 3 inch height. It's quite heavy. Okay, guys, let's see what else I got. Oh, here's the little box. I said little box. It sounds kind of funny. It's storage for floppy disks. I'm not really sure if I really need that one. Oh, I like that. Look at guys. It's kind of crooked. Oh, it did pops up. It looked like a desktop monitor, and then you open it, and there's a floppy disk fit inside. That's very cool. Actually, I'm glad he did send it. Because it wasn't a picture, but I didn't know if it really included, and it looked like it does include it. So, wow, it's really good. And then that's a TV adapter 820. That's really weird one. I don't know who designed that. I never understand why they even come out with that idea. Instead, video AV, they should embed it in the system itself instead make that little adapter. But it's nice. It did come with. Okay, here's the 500, and you know what? It's actually the width-wise, it looks probably it's same width as a A1200. You know what? That guy deserved it. Positive fit for sure. He did use it so many bubble wraps. Unbelievable. Usually when you receive it, it's packaged very little. Not this case. He's using a lot, which is good, you know. Which is good. I really appreciate that, you know. Because the A1200 didn't package it very well, and couple corners was busted. Okay, well, yeah. In reality, the case it's really yellow. Same thing is, I mean, that's actually much worse than my A1200 condition, but retro brightness, it should do a trick. Oh, it's pretty good actually. Yeah, that seal look like all intact, never been opened. I mean, right there, guys. And the bottom one, it looked like been pushed in. I'm not sure if anyone tried to open it, but like I said, according to the back one, it's a factory seal and look like never been probably opened. Anyway, that's pretty good. Let's see what else. Okay, that's something big and heavy. Oh, it's I believe it's a manual. Yep. He listed, like I said, this Amiga with bunch extras, plus a lot of it's like 50 or 60 floppy disks, also bunch manuals. I mean, we will not go through, I mean, manuals to manuals. Let's see, that's external floppy drive. Yeah, the guy did a really good job to package it, everything the way it should be. Actually, the floppy drive looks pretty good. I didn't know that they have even on-off switch on the back of a floppy drive. I'm not sure if it's a really Amiga brand, most likely not, because I'm not seeing any Amiga marks. Okay, that one thing I kinda didn't like it. He's zip tied to hold it all floppies, and it's kind of interesting to go through and see how lucky I am and how many games I did receive it, because he didn't list it the I mean what games it come with. He said it's bunch games, that's it. Here same thing. Let's see. It is some look, well, yeah, look like it's I mean original Amiga discs. Let's see. Basically, I got this stack of disc, this stack of disc, then I got one more stack of disc. Oh, it's an original, like a little boxes or so. Not original Amiga boxes, of course. Also here, I don't know, probably 15 discs or so. Then later I will try it all and see if they good or so. And here's another box. Well, it's aftermarket one with bunch discs also. Well, actually, you know what? I'm kinda really happy with purchase. Like I said, I mean, for 150 Amiga with all those extras, actually 145. It's really good deal, I think. The catch is when he listed, pretty much the seller tried be honest as possible. He said he didn't try it and he didn't know how to exactly power it, which kind of simple, should be go straightforward. Pretty much I should call I bought dead cat in a box. It may work, it may not. He listed as is, non-tested unit, but that's a part of fun, buying something, try to restore it, mod it, wherever it's necessary. Pretty much my case, I was gonna power it, see if it works. If not, then troubleshoot it to see if I can fix it. If everything goes well, I was gonna run it. I mean, it's gonna make sure it runs. Probably retro brighted everything, case, keyboard retro bright. I mean, it's gonna look really good. I did on that 1200. It looks really awesome. And then maybe I was gonna mod it a few more things. Well, guys, pretty much that's it for today. I hope this video was enjoyable. I hope you guys did enjoy it as much as I did, because I'm really happy with my purchase. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it. Thank you.